Sun on its way up, and we are off to a beautiful quiet start. It's a little chilly this morning, but who cares when you were talking about that high yesterday and what we'll see today, right? Did you enjoy the weather yesterday? That 71-degree high in Flint, the first time we have hit 70 or higher since October 12th, and that means we've gone 6 months, 2 days shy of 6 months of temperatures below 70 degrees, half a year. Been pretty chilly up here in Michigan, right? And the rest of the country saying, it's not been that bad. Well, that stat's going to definitely help us with that argument. At least we'll get into the mid-60s today. The average is 55, so we're going above our average again, even though it'll be a little cooler. We had yesterday's front move through, and now we've just got a few high and mid-level clouds that are stuck around this morning, and that could set the stage for a pretty nice sunrise here when the sun does come up. We're looking at 32 in Grand Blanc this morning. It's 31 in Cass City and Bad Axe, in the upper 20s now in Gladwin and Oscoda, so definitely not as comfortable as those low 50s some of us had at this time yesterday. So we're 15 to 20 degrees colder thanks to that front. But thankfully there wasn't enough cold air behind it that we're going to see a huge reduction in our high temperatures. But once these clouds pass throughout the morning and afternoon, we'll watch this area of showers setting up near Minneapolis. Some of those could sneak into northern lower Michigan, and that may clip us here along M55 near Houghton Lake and West Branch. So don't be shocked if you see a sprinkle later today, but we're not concerned about a widespread rain risk. That changes though as we go into Saturday night. So today, like we've been saying, sunshine expected throughout the entire day today with a few passing high and mid-level clouds. As we go into the overnight tonight, temperatures stay mild around 40 degrees, so not as cold as some of us are this morning. And starting out at 40 means we'll end up warmer than we will today, so pushing highs into the low 70s out ahead of our front. The winds will pick up tomorrow. We'll see those gusty winds like we saw yesterday, and then by Saturday night, here's our cold front. This thing's going to start slicing through as we go from about 8 o'clock to midnight, and with it comes showers, possibly a rumble of thunder. We'll get a little bit of a break. The front will stall down to our south, and then will plague us as we go from Sunday into Monday with heavy rain, thunderstorms, the potential for flooding, cooler weather, and we may even have some snow showers to boot by the time this thing moves on out. So let's talk about it. Today again, tomorrow, no problems, 60s and 70s, but by the time we head to Saturday night into Sunday, that's when the rain will arrive. We could see several rounds of showers and thunderstorms passing by Sunday, and the multiple rounds mean that we're just going to continue to add heavy rain on top of heavy rain on top of heavy rain. And there are some computer model projections that want to give us up to 3 inches of rainfall Sunday into Monday. That will create flooding because of our snow melt and the ground that's still frozen solid once you get down about a foot to a foot and a half. Then there are the snow shower chances picking up Monday night into Tuesday as the colder air moves in, and look at that. Tuesday's highs only into the upper 30s. Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, lows into the low 20s. Some spots could even drop into the upper teens next Wednesday.